Nope, I don't have an error. Well, I guess I do because I didn't take this out here. Okay, so I pulled this W out of the outside, but I also left it in there. Sorry, so I confused myself there. So then I have I plus I2 right here over I1 in the denominator, right? And then I also have this times I1 over I1 plus I2, and this is squared, and this is also squared. Okay, this is going to cancel out the squared term on the, so I'm dividing this guy. So this is going to basically over, yeah. So this one in the denominator. So this guy's going to cancel out this one. So this is going to cancel out this squared term here. And then I'm going to end up with, right, I1 over I1 plus I2, right, squared times I1 plus I2. So my final answer is going to be equal to I1 over I1 plus I2, and that's going to be equal to the ratio of kinetic energy. So that's going to be VKEF divided by KEI. So this problem is a good algebra exercise, essentially. It's a little bit bulky, so sorry about that. But yeah, notice that the ratio of our final kinetic energy to initial kinetic energy, so it's a fraction where the denominator is larger, right? So we know that we're losing energy, essentially. So the rotational kinetic energy of the system is less than 1, right? Because we have some number, right, over some larger number. And because the mass moment of inertia is a magnitude, right, it's not going to be negative. So we know that this is going to be KEF divided by KEI is going to be less than 1, right? That fraction is less than 1. So the kinetic energy of the system decreases, okay? Which should make sense here, right? Because if we take this little disk and we drop it on this other disk, it's going to, they'll all start rotating together, right? But it's going to have a larger mass moment of inertia when you combine those two together, and it's going to take away some of that kinetic energy, right? It's going to start moving a little bit slower at the end there. Okay, so hopefully some of this clicked for you guys. We're going to continue on, and we're going to do one more similar problem, and then we're going to kind of move on to some of the kinetic energy of particles problems.